Hi, my name is Patrick, and this is Prep Mindful, your daily video practice in mindful test prep. If math word problems having to do with deposits and tax and months, if those stress you out, well then pour yourself a nice cup of mint tea and buckle up, because we're doing an ACT math question. This was question 11 from the math section of ACT 74H. Right there, you could pause it, take a crack at it yourself, and then unpause the video and watch the explanation. Could be good. Either way, we're getting in there. It reads, Ben is saving money to buy a TV that costs $495, including tax. Ben opens a savings account with a deposit of $75 and deposits $65 at the end of each month. What is the minimum number of months Ben will need to make deposits until he has enough money in his account to buy the TV? A couple ways to do this question. Why don't we first walk through it algebraically? So at the end, on the right side of the equation, we want to have $495. Now how are we going to get there? Well, we start with 75, so 75 plus, and then there's 65 times some number of months. So we'll call that 65x. 75 plus 65x equals 495. Let's go through it algebraically. We subtract 75 from both sides, so 65x equals 420. And now we divide both sides by 65. So x would equal, oh shoot, you got to do it in your head. No, we live in an exciting time. Use your calculator. 420 divided by 65 is about 6.46. 0.46 of a month. That's tricky. Well, not at all. After 6 months, will Ben have saved enough money? No, he still needs 0.46 more months, but he deposits at the end of the month, so he needs a full 7 months to reach the full amount. All right, cool. So the answer is C, 7. The other way you could approach this question, though, is to keep this in mind. What do you know about every correct answer on this test? It's in front of you. One of these has to work. So why don't we try the answer choices? If it were me, I would probably start with C. Start with the number in the middle. That way I would know, was that too many months or too few months? And I would know which one to try next. If you start with C, you end up checking 65 times 7 is 455. And then if you add 75 to that for the initial deposit, you're up over 495. But you're not way over it. You're not more than 65 above it. So indeed, you needed the full 7 months. Either way, you'll get there. C. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, why not subscribe to our channel? Or go out and buy one of those TVs that curves. I don't know what those are like. None of my friends have them. If you have any questions about this or any other problem, feel free to hit me up in the comments below, or you can email me at prepmindful@gmail.com. In the meantime, my name is Patrick, and this has been Prep Mindful.